How to edit a post on X or Twitter. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily edit your tweets on X. The first thing you can do is open up your X application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From there you can head over to your profile by tapping on the top left corner of your screen. From there, tap on your profile icon. Once you land on your profile page, you'll find your existing tweets that you've made. What I can do is just tap on any one of them. So let's say I want to edit this one. I can just right click on this. I have an option to delete the post, pin the post to the profile, and then mute conversation from this. Now, since these posts have been there for a long time, I'm not able to edit them. But if you have just recently posted anything, you can just tap on this and then you'll have this option to edit with premium. So Twitter has made the editing feature premium. You can get early access to edit with premium, so you can get more info about this if you tap on it. Here you'll see your basic plan. What it will allow you to do is edit posts, longer posts, background video playback, download videos, and more. Then you have another premium plan. This is the basic one. Then you have premium, and then you have premium plus, which will give you access to all of these perks. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next video.